Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther and you're welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making puff puff. We're going to be making it in a big quantity, and it is a quantity of 1 pan of puff puff. And as you can see, I'm mixing my dry ingredients. I'm going to put the details in the description box. And here I'm trying to mix all the dry ingredients, the salt, the yeast, the sugar, the nutmeg. And right now we're putting our wet ingredients. As you can see, our wet ingredients is just the milk, vanilla, and then the water. That comprises of the wet ingredients. Yeah, for this recipe we need about 9 cups of water, warm water, as you can see me adding them. And then we go ahead and mix it properly, mix it really well. In case you're asking, why am I using my hands? My sister, my brother, you can't make puff puff in a large quantity with gloves. I've tried it before and my gloves ended up tearing inside the puff puff. So you just have to wash your hands properly and get ready to do the job with your hands. So after we've mixed it properly, we're going to cover it and keep it in a warm place for 45 to 1 hour. If there is sun is the best place. You can also put it in your oven, not an oven that is on. Yeah, it's a warm oven. And after that, about 1 hour, you can see our puff puff has risen. You just go ahead and put in your hands and take out the air, kind of deflate it and mix it properly again, just to get everything together. And as you can see, our puff puff is ready to be fried. So after we've done this, we can go ahead and pour in our oil. So here I'm using vegetable oil. You can use canola oil and maybe other oil that are good for frying. Here I'm using vegetable oil and I'm going to wait for it to heat up for some time. I can't tell you the exact time it should heat up, but you can always taste it with some pieces, or sorry, by putting in some puff puff, just to see how good the oil, whether the oil is too hot or the oil is warm. And as you can see here, I'm cutting it and I'm bringing my hands facing the camera. Why I'm doing that is just for you to see how I cut it. I've gotten a question before on how I cut the puff puff. Yeah, so I had to do it facing my hands toward the camera. You can go back to see it if you want to, but I'm still going to make a video, a small quantity of how I cut the puff puff, cutting the puff puff, different methods. If you're not perfect in any one of them, the more you do it, the more you're perfect in it. And yeah, see, we're frying our puff puff. For puff puff, you have to keep turning. Some will naturally turn by themselves, but some they will never turn. And really, human beings, that's how we can be. You know, sometimes they are pushing us to do something, but and sometimes when we don't end up doing that thing, we get burnt, like the puff puff. When you're trying to turn the puff puff to the other side, the puff puff will say no, and it goes to the other side and it gets burnt. And that's it. Anyway, our puff puff is ready. Are you ready to dig in? I can't tell you how good this puff puff tastes. Try this recipe and you will thank me so much. Remember, you can always, ask me any question, whether you ask me in the comment section or you ask me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Estezubi. I'll leave the link down there in the description box too, and you can see me getting the puff puff ready for the customer. And yeah, our puff puff is ready. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you stay safe, make sure you stay in God, and make sure you are okay. Bye. Love you guys. Bye.